The housing crisis impacts millions, while politicians only engage in discussions without taking action. Once again, Elon Musk is stepping in to help. This time, he's introducing affordable homes priced at just $10,000. His groundbreaking concept finally gives younger generations a chance to own a home. Developed in collaboration with Boxable, this foldable, energy-efficient house can be assembled in less than an hour, providing a budget-friendly solution to today's housing challenges. However, despite Elon's efforts to assist, he faces opposition from officials who threaten his ambitious plans. What's truly happening behind the scenes? Can anyone hinder Elon? And what does his $10,000 house look like? So what exactly is this $10,000 house? It's a dwelling that costs less than a high-end smartphone, yet offers comfort, sustainability, and the possibility of off-grid living. It sounds like something from a futuristic fantasy, but with Musk's new initiative, it's becoming a reality. He has partnered with Boxable, a startup focused on reimagining home construction. The outcome is a compact, modular house that can be put together in under an hour. This isn't just a temporary solution. It's a game changer in our perception of housing. Consider the implications. Affordable housing has long been a critical issue, and Musk's $10,000 home could represent a significant step toward addressing it. Imagine owning your own space without the burden of a hefty mortgage or the stress associated with conventional home buying. This house is designed to be both affordable and remarkably efficient. It's sustainable, constructed with eco-friendly materials, and designed to minimize energy consumption. For those interested in off-grid living, this home could be the ideal solution. However, it's not solely about cost. Musk's initiative also aims to redefine what a home can be. This foldable house is more than mere shelter. It offers a vision of future living. Compact yet functional, it provides all the essentials while occupying minimal space. Additionally, its ease of assembly makes it a viable option for various situations, from disaster relief housing to affordable living solutions in urban environments. Of course, the crucial question remains: will this concept gain traction? Can a $10,000 house genuinely transform our way of life? Given Musk's history of bringing ambitious ideas to fruition, it's certainly feasible. He has repeatedly demonstrated his ability to turn bold visions into reality, and if this project succeeds, it could establish a new benchmark for affordable, sustainable housing. It's thrilling to consider how this innovation could influence everything from the housing market to urban planning. The global housing crisis is well known, with prices in urban areas soaring, leaving millions unable to afford homes. Homelessness is increasing, and traditional construction methods are not only slow and costly, but also lack eco-friendliness. Musk's $10,000 house presents a solution that could revolutionize this entire system. It's not just a home, it's part of a broader vision to make life on Earth, and eventually on Mars, more affordable and sustainable. This compact home represents Musk's approach to addressing one of humanity's greatest challenges, providing affordable and environmentally friendly shelter. The technology behind this house is what makes it unique. It employs a modular design, which means most of the construction occurs in a factory. Once completed, the house is delivered to the site and can be assembled in just hours. This is a significant advancement over traditional construction, which often takes months and requires considerable labor and resources. By prefabricating the house, Musk and Boxable can drastically lower costs and minimize the environmental impact of construction. The modular design also facilitates easy customization. If you need more space in the future, you can simply add another module. One of the most fascinating aspects of the $10,000 house is that it's foldable. That's right, it doesn't arrive in pieces or require a team of builders for assembly. Instead, it comes folded up, allowing for easy transport. Picture this: the house is shipped to its destination in a compact, easy-to-move form, making transportation affordable and hassle-free. Once it arrives, the house unfolds like magic and is ready for occupancy within an hour. How incredible is that? This technology truly transforms the landscape of housing. Imagine sending these homes to remote locations where constructing something from scratch would be prohibitively expensive and time-consuming. Additionally, because the house is foldable, it doesn't require a large, specialized vehicle for delivery. A standard truck can handle it, significantly reducing delivery costs. It's like a pop-up home, but much more advanced. However, Musk's vision extends far beyond just making housing affordable. He is deeply committed to sustainability, which is a crucial aspect of what makes this project so compelling. The house is designed to be as energy efficient as possible, which is beneficial for both your budget and the environment. For instance, its walls feature advanced insulation, allowing you to maintain a comfortable temperature without having to rely heavily on heating or air conditioning. This helps keep your energy bills low, a definite plus. Additionally, the home has large windows that invite in plenty of natural light, so during the day, you may not even need to switch on any lights. The best part? This house is fully compatible with solar panels, making it an ideal choice for those interested in off-grid living. Musk has always been focused on reducing the world's carbon footprint, and this house truly reflects that vision. It's not just about affordable living, it's about smart and sustainable living. When we think about the future of housing, this home stands out as a smart home. In an age where we love to connect our gadgets and devices, this house takes it to a new level. It comes equipped with the latest smart technology, giving it a futuristic feel that seems straight out of a sci-fi film. For starters, you can connect it to Tesla's Powerwall, a battery that stores solar energy, allowing you to generate and easily control your power. This means whether you want to live off the grid or simply save on electricity, the house is equipped to support you. And it doesn't stop there. It includes a range of modern smart home features. You'll find energy-efficient lighting you can control via your smartphone, security systems that let you monitor your home while you're away, and much more. It's like living in a house that nearly manages itself. What's even more remarkable is that despite its compact design and low cost, the $10,000 house doesn't skimp on safety. It's constructed with durable materials capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes and heavy snowfall. Moreover, the house is designed to meet or exceed building codes in most areas, ensuring its reliability and safety. Homeowners can feel secure and at ease in their new residence. Elon Musk's commitment to his $10,000 house project extends beyond mere funding and endorsements. He's actually living in a prototype himself. Yes, you heard correctly. Musk has set up a $50,000 version of this foldable home near his SpaceX facility in Texas and is fully embracing a minimalist lifestyle. This decision is more than just personal. It's a statement. Musk sold off his mansions and even tweeted about his choice to own no home, emphasizing his focus on larger goals like advancing space exploration and addressing the housing crisis. If someone like Musk, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, can find happiness and contentment in a tiny house, it speaks volumes about the potential of this product. So why is this initiative so significant? The $10,000 house could fundamentally disrupt the traditional housing market. Housing has always been one of the biggest financial burdens for individuals, and Musk's solution offers a way to make homeownership more attainable for millions. Imagine a world where owning a home isn't just a dream for the wealthy or those with high-paying jobs. This tiny house could be a game changer for people who never thought they could afford their own place in crowded, expensive cities where housing prices are exorbitant. These affordable homes present a viable alternative, potentially easing some of the pressure on housing markets that struggle to keep up with demand. In rural or remote areas, where constructing a traditional home can be complicated and costly, this foldable house could be a true breakthrough. It's easy to transport, quick to assemble, and doesn't require the extensive infrastructure associated with conventional building methods. The $10,000 house is not just a product, it's a bold statement about the future of housing. It's affordable, sustainable, and designed with the future in mind. As these homes enter the market, they hold the potential to transform our perception of housing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a prospective homeowner, or someone passionate about sustainability, this house signifies a new era of affordable living. Elon Musk is once again at the forefront, this time advocating for something we all need: a place to call home. Like all groundbreaking innovations, bringing these houses to market has been quite the adventure. Elon Musk and Boxable have encountered their fair share of obstacles, but the highly anticipated $10,000 house is finally making its debut, and the potential impact could be immense. Launching a product like this is no small feat, especially when it involves something as revolutionary as a modular, foldable home. The first challenge was figuring out how to mass-produce these houses in a way that would keep costs low, while still ensuring the high quality that Musk and Boxable envisioned. It wasn't just about creating a futuristic design. It was essential to ensure that the homes could be built quickly, efficiently, and affordably on a large scale. This is why they opted for a factory-built, prefabricated approach, as it was the best way to streamline the process, reduce construction time, and make these houses accessible to as many people as possible. Musk has been deeply involved in the project from the beginning. He's not just a prominent figure associated with it. He has been living in a prototype home, testing it to ensure it meets expectations. This hands-on commitment has propelled the project forward. With Musk leading the way, there has been substantial investment and focus on ramping up production of these homes. It's one thing to have a great concept, but getting it into the hands of consumers is a different challenge, and Musk's involvement has made a significant impact. Boxable's ambitious project represents more than just a groundbreaking idea. It has the potential to be a game-changer in home ownership. They are not just constructing homes, they are rethinking the entire process of how we build and distribute housing. The large factory in Nevada is the heart of this operation, aiming to produce these modular homes at an unprecedented rate. Imagine a new house rolling off the production line every 90 minutes. That's the kind of scale Boxable is targeting. And it's not just about the numbers. The factory's efficiency could significantly lower construction costs, making these affordable homes a reality on a much larger scale. Demand for these $10,000 homes is already skyrocketing. Even before the first home hit the market, Boxable received over 100,000 inquiries, indicating that people are eager for a solution to the rising costs of home ownership. With housing prices soaring in cities worldwide, the idea of owning a home for a fraction of the traditional cost is incredibly attractive. This is not just about a new type of house, it's about making the dream of home ownership accessible to those who thought it was out of reach. What makes these homes even more exciting is their versatility. Whether you want to set up in a bustling urban area, a peaceful rural community, or even a remote location, these homes offer the flexibility to adapt to various lifestyles and environments. These modular homes can adapt to your specific needs. They are designed to be both modular and foldable, allowing for easy transportation and assembly in virtually any location. Imagine having a cozy, affordable home in the heart of a bustling city or nestled in a quiet spot in the countryside. The possibilities are limitless. Musk's involvement in this project adds an extra layer of excitement. He is known for his capacity to tackle significant challenges and transform them into opportunities. His successful track record with SpaceX and Tesla demonstrates that he doesn't shy away from the impossible. With the $10,000 house, he is applying that same innovative mindset to the housing market. If he succeeds, it could establish a new benchmark for what we expect in terms of home construction and affordability. However, the impact of this house extends beyond merely making home ownership more accessible. Would you be willing to buy a $10,000 house? Let me know in the comment box. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to not miss our next videos.